1 Corinthians 6 verses 19 to 20, don't you realize that your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit who lives in you and was given to you by God? You do not belong to yourself, for God bought you with a high price. So you must honor God with your body. Sabi dito, you do not belong to yourself. Binayaran ka ng banal na dugo ng Panginoon. At dahil doon, hindi na tayo ang nagmamay-ari ng katawan na to. Madalas yung maririnig yung salitang buhay ko to, katawan ko to, desisyon ko to, akin to. Huwag nyo akong diktahan. Pakialaman nyo yung buhay nyo, yung katawan nyo. Diba napakaraming tao yung ganyan magsalita, ganyan mag-isip. Pero hindi. Ang reality, binayaran na ng Panginoon ng kanyang banal na dugo. Kaya from self-ownership to divine ownership. And now you should honor God with your body. It means living a life that displays His worth and character. Kaya hindi talaga uubrang sinasabi nating na kay Lord na tayo, pero patuloy tayo sa kasalanan. Sa lahat ng ginagawa natin, maliit man o malaki, may nakakakita man o wala, have this integrity kasi lagi kang nakikita ng Panginoon. Hindi na sa'yo yung katawan mo, just to remind you. Kaya gagamitin mo na yan to glorify God. Sample ko lang, kunyari nakipag-inuman ka, o kaya nagve-vape ka, nagsisigarilyo ka, at marami pang mas malala dyan na ginagawa natin sa katawan natin. Andyan din yung sexual immorality. If you are a true believer of God, you won't do those things. Maaaring dati nung hindi mo pa siya kilala, pero ngayong kilala mo na siya, hindi na dapat. Guys, hindi na sa'yo yan. You now belong to divine ownership. At gamitin mo yung katawan na yan for God's glory. At sana po ay malinaw at naiintindihan niyo po talaga ang mensahe ng video na to.